Look at the calendar. Another month has just arrived. And I know the quiet fear whispering in your mind. You look at the days ahead and you quietly wonder if this month will just be a repeat of the last. You wonder if it will bring the same heavy struggles, the same financial worries, and the same silent loneliness. But I want you to pause and take a deep breath right now. You are not walking into this new month alone. I have been watching over you every single second. I have seen the silent tears you cried in the dark and the moments you felt completely unseen. Your past hardships are not a permanent sentence. I am actively working behind the scenes to bring a profound healing to your weary spirit. Stop looking at the progress of everyone else around you. Their journey is not your journey. I have placed unique gifts and a highly specific calling deep inside of you. When you constantly compare yourself to others, you blind yourself to the beautiful things I am doing in your own life. Before you make your next big decision, stop and seek my guidance. Lean on my wisdom instead of your own exhausted understanding. I am ready to give you clarity if you will just make the quiet space to listen. A great blessing is waiting for you this very month, but it requires your unwavering faith. You must stand firm, even when the winds of adversity blow hard against you. Do not let temporary setbacks convince you that I have forgotten my promises. I am preparing a table of victory for you. A season of financial peace, emotional restoration, and unbreakable strength is on the horizon. I am with you in every single step. I am protecting your family, and I am paving the way. You are deeply valued and completely protected. If you are ready to release your doubts and step into this month of massive blessings, type, "I claim my blessing this month, Lord," in the comments below. Share this prophetic word with someone who desperately needs hope today. And subscribe to this channel to keep your spirit nourished all month long. I love you deeply and completely. Step forward without fear.